Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve fingerprint not enroll problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down and click on security status. Click on Google Play System update and click for a check for update and click on restart now. After complete update, press and swipe to reboot phone normally. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on fingerprint, face data and skin lock. Click on fingerprint unlock. Now add fingerprint option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.